Chapter 4, sum number 11. From the following informations, find out the value of goodwill by capitalization method. Average profit is 20,000. Normal rate of return 10%. Capital employed 1,50,000. இந்த sum எப்படி calculate பண்றதுன்னு பாருங்க. Sum number 11 capitalization method. Total capitalized value of the business equal to average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Average profit is 20,000 divided by 10 into 100. இது calculate பண்ணா rupees 2 lakhs. இந்த 2 lakhs தான் total capitalized value of the business. So next goodwill calculate பண்றோம். goodwillக்கு total capitalized value of the business minus capital employed. இந்த value 2 lakhs minus 1,50,000 less பண்ணா 50,000 வருது. இந்த 50,000 தான் goodwill. goodwill is 50,000. இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. Thank you.